You are on camera, girl.
Alright, show Mimi your outfit.
You're on camera.
Oh my goodness. How adorable. Alright, Carter, you got your slides. How adorable.
And I'm going to a tattoo.
Does he have regular water shoes? Usually you just double click that.
Hey babe, when it's just the notification stuff coming up, what has to be done, you know?
It's just swiping. Click the home button.
When I swipe, it just gives more notifications.
Press on the notifications.
She can probably, I give her, let her do
It
it.
will
She's
take
done
you
it
into
a
the
zillion
app.
times. I'll help. I'm gonna grip mine and then I'll come back. All right, we're off. Somebody mark the time. What time is it? 11:36. When you go under a bridge, just watch your, make sure you're going under a high enough spot for your rod. Oh, hey, take that handle right there beside you, right hand, pull it, no, right there, look at it, it's a black handle. Pull it forward, all the way towards you. All right, now you're gonna steer a lot straighter. Forgot to tell you about that. That's your rudder, it's just gonna stay and help you steer you straight. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, sorry. That's for whitewater. Okay. I think they have Uber too.
I checked and it said no cars available.
Because there has been a Uber guy running around here.
Yeah, we'll check when we get up there.
Oh, well.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, I didn't know you were trolling.
Oh, did it get in it?
Yeah. I didn't see you.
Well, I don't want to get caught in your...
Should be high enough.
Thank you.
Alright, now we gotta go find Carter.
Boy, he's an adventurer. Gotta give him that. You ain't got time for that. Might need to give him a rule that he has to keep us at least within eyesight. he gets in trouble, we ain't there to help him.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, Carter went. Yeah. Carter.
Yeah. Well, when you gotta go, you gotta go. How you doing, Lucy? It's like a comma grant. It's something grant. I'm pretty sure. You doing all right? Got your paddles mixed up again. Flip your paddle over. No, that'll work. There you go.
She's got a good looking sandwich. What kind is it? Peanut butter jelly?
Well, if you get a second job, maybe we could get set up right. You ain't done unless I don't need nothing. There you go. When one motor's not enough and two just won't do it. Do you don't even want to know how much money's in the motors. Yeah, there's damn near 100 grand in motors. Luann, get left. Get away from those guys fishing.
Thank you, Miss Natalie.